Hey, what's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress. It's really easy to do, so let's get right to it. Now, most hosting companies have an easy WordPress installation process right in the control panel. So let's go to the hosting account, go to the home page of your control panel, and most likely the WordPress installer will be under Software Services. It might say WordPress, Softaculous, or Fantastico. If you're in Bluehost, then it's going to look like this. It's going to be under Site Builders and WordPress. I'm going to do this installation in HostGator, so you want to go down to Software Services, and you'll see it's called Fantastico Deluxe. So click on Fantastico in the Software Services section. If you have a different hosting company and you can't find it, just ask your hosting company where to find the easy installation for WordPress. So after you click on that, it brings us to this screen. If you look in the left sidebar, you'll see WordPress listed under blogs. Click on WordPress, and on the next screen you want to click on New Installation. Every different domain you have is going to need a new installation of WordPress. So you go through the same process for each unique domain you have. Now on the next screen, we need to fill out some information. If you have multiple domains, choose the domain you want to perform the new installation on. In most cases, we want to leave the directory blank because you want WordPress running the entire site. So leave it blank to install WordPress on your root domain. The next two blanks are very important. This is your admin name and password for your WordPress site. You want to make sure you use a good admin name and a strong password. WordPress sites are very popular, and so they're also popular with hackers. So don't use admin for your username. It's probably not a good idea to use the same name as your site either. Just use good judgment choosing your admin name because you can't change it once it's created. Then enter a strong password. Make sure you copy down your username and password because you need it to log into your site. Now the admin nickname is what will show up on your post instead of your admin name. So if you want your name to be displayed, then you can use that for your nickname. And you could change this later if you want to. Put in a valid email address for admin purposes. And remember, don't put in your new email address unless you've already set it up. Put in an email that you know works right now. And you can change this later too. You can add the site name and description, but we'll fix that later also. And once you've entered all the info and you've copied down your admin name and password, click Install WordPress. After you click on Install WordPress, it brings us to this screen where it says click on Finish Installation to continue. So click on Finish Installation, and once you do that, it's going to create the databases, install the files on your domain, set up your directory all automatically. So after you click that, it should bring you to the screen where it is going to give you your username and your password. So if you didn't write it down before, make sure you write it down, and then everything is good to go. The WordPress should be installed on your website. All you have to do is go to your website, /wp-admin to log in, or you could just click on the link on this page. That's how you install WordPress. Very simple. I will see you in the next video.